this. So I probably look like a hot mess, but wanted to let you know it's snowing. So yeah, let's go check it out. Oh my gosh, look at the snow. Look at it. Can you tell? Look at it. Oh my gosh, I don't know how this works. It's snowing. It's snowing. This is probably actually not very safe considering it's been raining all day. So I'm sure that all of this is really, really slick. But I want to go check out the like temple thing up here. Oh my gosh, look, I'm leaving footprints. Allow me to make a movie reference. Jack Frost has been here. Also, I just walked this way like 5 minutes ago, and you already can't really see my footprints. Like, this is ridiculous. Can you see the snow? It's like, oh my god, it's cold. But I mean, look at it. It's like a legit snowstorm. I mean, what is this? That's the way it's coming from. Alright, I'm out.